Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm the founder and president of Bock's Rug Care. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner. We are also a wool safe approved authorized service center here in this part of the country. And we're in our rug plant today, and we did a rug yesterday, and I want to show the importance of rug dusting. This is what we call a rug duster. One of the key things that we need to bring your rugs in plant to do, especially what I have here is just a hand knotted rug. We get a lot of dry soil that gets into that foundation of that rugs, and that's very damaging. They act like little razor blades in there, and they can cut into that yarn and deteriorate it over time, leaving a hole in your rug. So we need to get that dry soil out of there, and it's very difficult to do on location. So this is what's called a rug duster. This really creates 40,000 harmonic vibrations a minute with these rugs and just beats the dry soil out of them. It's kind of like when Granny used to take them outside and beat them over the line with the old rug dusters. This just does it much better, much faster. But we had an amazing result yesterday out of one rug. I want to show you what came out of one rug in our rug plant yesterday. Now, it wasn't this rug, but it was something similar to it. After our rug dusting, I have it in the bucket right here, so you can see how much all this came out of one rug. Okay, look at all that dry particulate. This particular rug just I don't know if they had a beach out behind their deal, and this may be somewhat extreme, but not crazy either. We get so much stuff out of these rugs. It's amazing, and then we clean it and go through our 12-point cleaning system. So just wanted to give you a tangible example of what we can do with rug dusting, but we got to do it in the plant. We can come out and pick up and deliver all over the Kansas City area. So call the office number and we'll set up an appointment to come out and inspect your rugs and give you a price, and then we can take it in if it makes sense. Hope to service you soon.